Up for sale, I got a 1969 Caprice finished in this beautiful maroon with black bucket seats and console, vinyl top. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Caprice, finished in this show quality maroon. Faintest little bit of pearl in there. I don't know if you could pick it up in the camera, but just faintest little bit where you start to get that silvery shine that pops back out of you. You got the black trim line. These beautiful wheels. There's 18 in the back, and the front is 17 and 18s, so sitting nice. Bucket seats and console. Tiny little chip right there. Front bumper looks very, very nice. Just a couple of marks on there. As you see, just a couple of marks. Faintest a little bit where you start to get those like little white pittings coming through. A little smudge there. I know for a fact the back bumper is brand new though. That's brand new. The whole back end of the car looks amazing. And it's got the Flowmaster exhaust and the tips coming out the back. Let me pop the hood, show you what we're working with. .327 350 horsepower motor out of a Corvette. It's the HV code, suffix code, excuse me. So Henry Victor, that's, oh God. That's the 327 350 horsepower code. 65 Corvette. Factory AC, power steering, and power brakes. Nice clean factory engine compartment all the way around. Trim tag over there. Factory Z-Bart car. So long time rust free. All the fitment on the car is excellent condition. I mean excellent. Excellent shape, I guess you want to say, put together properly. Dash pad has 0 cracks in it. Glass is excellent all the way around. The vinyl top is excellent. Laser straight body. I'll show you that when I get to the back side. And here, just a little bit of the back here while I'm standing here. A little bit of the vinyl top. So it's a 2-door, hard top. And like I said, a factory Z-Bart car. So you got these little white plugins, where from the factory, yellow plugins, excuse me, they would shoot the Z-Bart coating in there to prevent rust from coming in through like the inside of the door or in the inner fender, stuff like that. That's pretty cool to see. Excellent factory door panels. And the quality of the paint on this car is very, very nice. There's no overspray. They, without a doubt, dismantled it completely when they painted it, or at least when they did it the right way for sure. I mean, even in here, look at this door jamb. This isn't skimped out at all. Factory dash. They put a little tack up there that does work. Being a little more performance built, maybe put a tack in there just to be safe. You got the factory console with the light that works. Gauges up there. You see a couple little marks on the paint. And again, no cracks on the dash. Nice black carpet. Very nice black carpet. And you see just a little seam right here on the seat for whatever reason, where the two pieces of material go together. They're starting to separate a little bit. Pop open the back seat here. Excellent back seat. Door panels are excellent. The bench seat's excellent. The other door panel is excellent. Headliner's excellent. No holes, no rips, no sagging. Doors open and close as they should. These wheels look great on the car. And I love that on a car like this, it's sitting very level. They wouldn't. Or this would be a car that you could see people jacking up in the front, but it's not. And I like that they gave it that factory stance. Or even jacked up in the back for that matter, but this is not. Brand new bumper, like I said. Looks excellent. Flowmaster exhaust coming out the back. Sounds nice. Again, being a Z-Bart car. Excuse me. The underneath is rust-free. And even this lower portion, it's like I said, you know, sometimes you might skip out on that lower portion, but this below the bumper is not skipped out in at all. Nice trunk lines, excuse me. And I just saw a chip actually. One little touch up right there, so we're totaling two flaws on the paint. Z-Bart. That back window is excellent too. I'm actually going to pop the trunk real quick and show you the inside of it. Really nice trunk. Original quarters. Original trunk pan. Excellent under trunk. Do you see the light working up there? Excellent under trunk. Again, painted nicely. All the jams were done right, taken apart the way it should be, reassembled the way that it should be. Spare. You see the jack back there? More of that laser straight body. Like I said, no rust on the body, no rust underneath the car. Again, coming in this door, you see those 3 plugins for the factory Z-Bart there. Another one down there. Another one in there. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of the video, so if you have any interest, go on, check it out. We're talking about an excellent Caprice here, done right. With the show quality paint, bucket seats and console, which you really don't see in Caprices all too often. You see the vinyl bench seat, maybe the cloth bench seat, not always bucket seats and console. Turbo 350 trans, like I said, 327, 350 horsepower Corvette motor. Very nice motor to put in this kind of a car. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Factory Z-Bart. Any questions, let me know. Any interest, let me know. My website will be in the description of this video, as well as the eBay page. There's a little chip down there, a little mark in the paint. So, thanks for watching. We will fire it up right now and then take it for a drive around the block, and you can see it go. So, thank you. Like I said, here's the 327, 350 horsepower Corvette motor, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Gonna give him the thumbs up. Going underneath the Caprice, like I said, it's a factory Z-Bar car. I just want to quickly go through this for you so you check it out. You see a lot of the preservation. 12 bolt, different shocks, spring, really nice up there. Going to the left side now, driver's side, above the rear and the passenger side, above the rear driver's side. Very, very clean. We're gonna flash there, go over there. We're gonna go down. There's the frame. Very clean. Another thing I want to point out, all the yellow shocks, but the bushings up in the front. Bushings, I said. Going back. Very nice, solid, clean frame. Really nice floors. Flowmaster exhaust, and the drive shaft is Don's Auto Parts and Machine Shop. Kind of cool that they put that in there. So there you have it.